Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to sell trending Shein products on your Shopify store? In this video, I will show you exactly how to import Shein products to Shopify step by step. Even if you are brand new to dropshipping. Quick disclaimer: Shein doesn't offer an official dropshipping program, but many sellers use third-party tools to import Shein products into Shopify. Use at your own risk and always edit product details and avoid copyrighted images or logos. In this video, I will use AutoDS, a trusted app that lets you import products from Shein directly into your Shopify store. Tools you will need: Shopify account, AutoDS or Zendrop or Shein website. First of all, go to Shopify account. Log into your admin dashboard. Go to Add App section, then Shopify App Store. Now search for AutoDS. Install the AutoDS app. Connect your Shopify store to AutoDS. Go to open AutoDS app and choose Shein as a support supplier under Add Product. You can use the 14 day free trial to test it. Log into your AutoDS account. And select a plan from here. For you can use the 40-day free trial to test it first. Now visit Shein.com. Browse categories like women's fashion, men's fashion, accessories, home, etc. Look for the trending items with good reviews, low price, unique appeal. Pick light items with less return risk, like phone cases, jewelry, or bags. Copy Shein product URL. Click the share button or copy the link from here. If you paste anywhere, that's it. And go to the AutoDS dashboard from Shopify. Then choose Add Product section. Paste URL, choose Store and click Import. Edit title, description, pricing, and images, and click Save, then import to Store. Set it to 0.5x price markup to cover cost, shipping, and profit. Now go to Shopify dashboard, then click Product section. You can import product from from here, or add product from here. Like click Add Product. Paste the link in description. Enter the product name. Copy from here and paste here. You can add some keyword in title. Then download the picture. And insert this picture like that. And now go to add product and upload now your product. Like that. Edit title, description, images, variants. Use Canva to make a custom product thumbnail. Use on Shopify, go to settings. After saving the product, then shipping and delivery. Add free shipping or set custom zones. Test checkout by making a test order. Always change the product title, images, and description to stand out. Avoid branded items like Shein, Hello Kitty, Disney, etc. If this helped you start your Shein dropshipping journey, hit like, subscribe, and comment what niche you are selling. Thanks for watching.